Good morning to all students. Once again, welcome on online classes. Now, in today's lecture of class 9th math, we will discuss chapter 8 quadrilateral. In previous lecture, we already discussed chapter 13, which is the surface area and volume of the solids. That already completed. Now, in today's lecture, we will start chapter 8, which is quadrilateral. Now, so firstly, we will discuss what does general meaning of the quadrilateral. So, students, quadrilateral का general meaning क्या होता है? Quad means four, lateral means side. Okay. So, if any closed figure which are having four sides, that is known as the quadrilateral. So, here quad meaning four. And second is laterals. Lateral meaning side. So four sides. Any closed figure which contain four sides, that is known as the quadrilateral. Okay? किसी भी closed figure में total number of sides क्या है? 4. Then that is known as the quadrilateral. Understand? Now next. We will discuss in that quadrilateral that ABCD is the quadrilateral. So, in quadrilateral, first point, it have four sides which are AB, BC, CD and DA. Second point, it have four vertex A, B, C, D. Next, it have four angles, angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. Next, opposite side pair. Opposite side of AB is CD, opposite side of BC is AD. So two pair of opposite sides are present. Next, it have two diagonal. First diagonal is the AC and second diagonal is the BD. So generally quadrilateral have four sides, four vertex, four angles, two pair of opposite sides and two diagonals. That is the general brief of the quadrilateral. Now we will discuss first theorem in quadrilateral. क्वाड्रिलेटरल में फर्स्ट थ्योरम डिस्कस करते हैं. थ्योरम 0.1 प्रूव दैट इन क्वाड्रिलेटरल सम ऑफ ऑल फोर एंगल्स आर 360 degree. So how we will prove that in a quadrilateral the sum of all four angles are 360 degree. So first of all given theorem में क्या राइट करोगे? given in quadrilateral angle A, B, C and angle D. Quadrilateral A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D are interior angle. Sum of all four angles. Four angles कौन से हैं? Interior. Next, what we will prove here? Angle A plus angle B plus C plus D is equals to 360. Now we will require here construction. Why we will require here instrument construction? Because if we will draw a diagonal, then that diagonal that divided in given quadrilateral two triangles, then we know in triangle the sum of all three angle is 180 by using that one. So construction, we will join A to C, join A to C. Now give the name angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4. Now in proof part, after joining the A to C, we find here two triangles. In both triangles, we will use angle sum property. So first of all, in triangle ADC, using angle sum property. So using angle sum property, angle 1 plus angle D plus angle 2 is equals to 180 degree. Equation first. Second, in triangle ABC, using angle sum property. So using angle sum property in second triangle, angle 4 plus angle B plus angle 3 is equals to 180 degree. Now if we have to join two triangles, then we find a quadrilateral or not. Two triangles को join करवाओगे, then we find out a quadrilateral. So adding equation first and equation second. क्या किया है? Add किया equation. So how we will add students equation? Left hand side adding with left hand side and right hand side adding with right hand side. Left part left में add करोगे, right part right में add करो. Angle 1 plus angle D plus angle 2 plus angle 4 plus angle B plus angle 3 is equals to 180 plus 180. Sorry. Now we are making pair. Angle 1 along with angle 4, angle D plus angle 2 along with angle 3 plus angle B is equals to 360. Now from the figure, angle 1 plus angle 4 can be written as angle A, angle D. Angle 2 plus angle 3 can be written as angle C plus angle B is equals to 360 degree. After rearranging angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equals to 360 degree. Hence, ये proof करना था. So, the sum of all four angles in a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Understand? Any problem? Now, we will discuss some question based on the angle sum property. अब इस angle sum property पे बेस some question solve करते हैं. Question, first question, if the angles of a quadrilaterals are 70 degree, 100 degree, 80 degree. Find fourth angle. So here in quadrilateral the three angle is given to you. We will find out the fourth. Angle A is equals to 70. Angle B is equals to 100. Angle C is equals to 80. We will find out the angle of D. So what we know? We know that angle A plus B plus C plus D is equals to 360 degree. What is the value of angle A? 70 plus 100 plus 80 plus angle D is equals to 360 degree. 70 80 that is 250 plus angle D is equals to 360. So what is the value of angle D? 360 minus 250, angle D value will come 110 degree will come. So first type question क्या हो सकता है एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी पे? If in quadrilateral their three interior angles are given, then how we will find out their remaining fourth interior angle? That is the first type question. Understand? Now second type question देखो. Second type question क्या हो सकता है? If the interior angles of a quadrilateral are in the ratio 1:2:3:4, then find value of each angle. Then you will find out the value of each angle, and the ratio of their interior angles are given. Then how we will find out? Let angle A is 1 multiply x is x, angle B is the 2x, angle C is 3x, and angle D is the 4x. If angles are given to you in the ratio form, then how we will find out angle? We will multiply by the any constant. So angle AX, B is 2x, C is 3x, and D is the 4x. Now we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equals to 360 degree. What is the value of angle A? X. B value 2x, 3x, 4x is equals to 360 degree. 4, 3, 7, 2, 9, 1, 10. 10x is equals to 360 degree. What is the value of x? 360 upon 10. So x value will come 36 degree. But here we will find out the measurement of angle A also, angle B also, angle C and angle D. Now angle A is equals to x is equals to 36 degree. Angle B 2x, 2 multiply 36 is the 72 degree. Angle C 3x, 3 multiply 36 is 108 degree. Angle D 4x, 4 multiply 36 is 140. So these are the all four interior angles. Understand? Any problem? So second type question है, if angles are given in the ratio form, then how we will find out the measurement of each angle? अब स्टूडेंट्स क्वेश्चन ये भी हो सकता है, सपोज इफ द इंटीरियर एंगल्स ऑफ द क्वाड्रिलेटरल आर x, x minus 10, x plus 10 and x plus 20, then how we will find out the value of x? ये भी हो सकता है क्वेश्चन. तो इसमें क्या यूज करना आपको? हेयर वी विल यूज द अगेन एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी. Angle sum property we know, sum of all four angles of the quadrilateral is 360 degree. So question third is, if the interior angle of a quadrilateral are x, x plus 10, x plus 20 and x plus 30, then find value of x and each angle. So how we will find out the value of x and how we will find out the measurement of each angle? For that, let angle A x, angle B x plus 10, angle C x plus 20 and angle D x plus 30. Now we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equals to 360 degree. What is the value of angle A? X. B value x plus 10, then x plus 20, x plus 30, 360 degree. 1, 2, 3, 4x plus 30, 50, 60 degree. 300. 4x is equals to 360 minus 60 degree. 4x 300 degree. So what is the x? 300 degree upon 4. 4 7 ja 28, 4 5. So x value will come 70. Now angle A is x 75 degree, angle B x plus 10 85 degree, angle C x plus 20 75 plus 20 95, and angle D x plus 30, that is 105. Understand? So that is the next type. Now next question, that is very important question. In quadrilateral ABCD, if AO and BO are the angle bisector of angle A and angle B, then prove that angle AOB is equals to half of angle C plus angle D. Given to you students that ABCD quadrilateral, their AO and BO are the angle bisector of angle A and angle B. Then what we will prove? Angle AOB is equals to half of angle C plus angle D. So how we will prove? Here one quadrilateral ABCD is the quadrilateral. After that, what is given to you? AO and BO are the angle bisector. So first part we will write down given. Given में क्या write करोगे? In quadrilateral ABCD, AO and BO are the angle bisector of angle A and angle. Let we gives us value angle 1 and angle. What we will prove here, आपको proof क्या करना है? Angle AOB is equals to 1 upon 2 angle C plus angle. Now we will start proof part. So students, how we will prove? Firstly, we will apply the angle sum property in triangle AOB. Then after we will apply the angle sum property in the quadrilateral ABCD. Angle sum property apply करोगे किसमें? Triangle AOB. Second angle sum property apply in quadrilateral ABCD. So in triangle AOB using angle sum property, so using angle sum property, angle 1 plus angle AOB plus angle 2, angle 1 plus angle AOB plus angle 2 is equals to 180 degree. Equation first. Or from here we can find out angle AOB value. So what is the value of angle AOB? 180 degree minus angle 1 minus angle 2. Our AOB is 180 minus bracket angle 1 plus angle 2. Equation first. Second, in quadrilateral ABCD, angle A plus B plus C plus D is equals to 360 degree. Now angle A वन क्या है, AO बाइसेक्टर है, सो एंगल A कैन बी रिटन एज ट्वाइस ऑफ एंगल 1, एंगल B ट्वाइस ऑफ एंगल 2, एंगल C प्लस एंगल D 360. बट वी विल फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ हियर एंगल 1 प्लस एंगल 2. आपको किसकी वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है? एंगल 1 प्लस एंगल 2. सो ट्वाइस ऑफ एंगल 1 ट्वाइस ऑफ एंगल 2 इज इक्वल्स टू 360 माइनस एंगल C माइनस एंगल D. 2 कॉमन, एंगल 1 प्लस एंगल 2 360 माइनस एंगल C प्लस एंगल D. So what is the value of angle 1 plus angle 2? 360 angle C plus angle D. Divide by 2 and divide by 2. 180. So what is the value of angle 1 plus 2? 180 minus bracket angle C plus angle D divided by 2. That is equation number 2. From equation second, we will substitute the value of angle 1 plus 2. From equation second से आप किसकी वैल्यू पुट करोगे? You will substitute the value of angle 1 plus 2. So from equation second, angle AOB is equals to 180 degree minus. What is the value of angle 1 plus 2? 180 degree minus bracket angle C plus angle D divided by 2. So angle AOB is equals to 180 minus 180, negative negative positive, angle C plus angle D divided by 2. 180 180 cancel. So what is the value of angle AOB? 1/2 angle C plus angle D. Hence, understand? So firstly, we will apply here the angle sum property in triangle AOB, then angle sum property in quadrilateral, then we will substitute the values. That is the very very important question. Now one question for you. सेम पैटर्न पे है, आपको क्वेश्चन क्या करना है? इन ए क्वाड्रिलेटरल ABCD, CO and DO are the bisector of angle C and angle D. Then prove that angle COD is equals to half of angle A plus half of angle D. That question you will solve. Understand? So in today's lecture we discuss the general property of quadrilateral based question of angle sum property. In next lecture we will discuss the types of the quadrilateral and we will prove their property using the congruency rule. That we will discuss in next lecture. Thank you.